How to create Facebook story highlights on your profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on your name at the top. After you click on your name, you will find your profile pop up. In your profile, scroll down. You will find collection beside it, new. Simply click on new with a plus sign. Then scroll down and you'll find stories. Click on see all stories. You'll find all your Facebook story. Now select the story you want to add to your highlight and press on next at the bottom. Then add title for your highlight. You can add a cover if you want. If not, simply press on save at the bottom and your highlight will be created. This is how to create Facebook story highlights on your profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.